Hey you two, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the Foxpeed G29 jump starter, and this one is especially made for 8-liter gas and a 6.5-liter diesel engine with a LED display, USB quick charge 3.0 portable car battery booster pack for various vehicles. So it has a 2500 amp with a 21,000 Henry 12-volt car jumper starter. So I'd like to give a shout out to Yoli from their marketing team for sending me this. This one has a LED screen, spark-proof, waterproof material shell, and then high security. Easily and quickly start your car in an emergency situation. It also offers USB charge and recharge. Come with the power bank function, fast charging your electronic devices. If you got this, you don't need to call your friends or any of the other AAA services. No need to call to come to rescue. Just plug in jump starter cable, store in the back seat of your car when finished, and then you are ready to go. And this one also offers bright lights and device charging feature while you're out for a camping trip or emergency. Anyways, go ahead and unbox this, and be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description so you can get a better deal right now. So here's the product description right here. Foxpeed and G29, that's the model number. So you use it for automobile, mobile phone, cameras, motorcycle, or recreational machines. So this one has a reverse polarity protection, okay? And also has a 12-volt outlet. So it has a 8 upgraded safe jump cable with an intelligent LED display. It'll tell you to allow starting the vehicle. It'll give you like a warning overload excess connection time. It also give you like a low voltage for battery starter. Also give you like a high voltage for car battery. And then reversed. If you connect the reverse, you'll show like a R. Or it will also show like a reverse charge, RC. It also give you like a high temperature, HT, or short circuit, SC. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. This nice carrying case with a wrist strap. Here's a zipper. Called the user manual guide. also scan the QR code. So this is the unit right here. Pretty heavy duty, and it shows 84%. So this one has a USB type 1 and then 2. There's your LED flash right there. Here's a plug-in for your clamps. Here's a power button right here. Also to turn on the flash, you need to press and hold it down. Okay. It's like a SOS or emergency. So I got 3 modes, and then you press and hold it down to turn it off. So it comes with the AC to USB plug. And then this is a USB Type A to USB Type C, so you charge the unit. This is the input right here. It said in or out, so either way. And then this is a DC output. Right here you can connect it to the 12-volt secret light adapter that it comes with it. So you'll be charging the unit like this. So if you have other older devices, nice thing this one comes with it. So you can charge like your maybe police radar or whatever. So this one is dummy proof. You can only plug this in one way. So if like this doesn't go in, it's only going one direction, okay? And good thing about this, it has a display right here. It even show you the voltage of the battery. Let me get a 12 volt to test it out. Alright, so I got this 12 volt battery. I'll test it out. It shows 12.4 volt, which is good. Alright, so I'm going to test out on this battery. And this battery shows 12.7 volt, which is good. I'm going to check out the yellow one. Oops. Oh yeah, that's right. And this one is only 10.5 volt, 10.6. We're jumping up and down 11. And this one is only 5.6, 5.7 volt. So yeah, this one is totally dead. Alright, so I'm going to test out these batteries. I know this one is good, so I'm going to do the positive. Whoa. So this battery is good. It shows 12.6 volt. I'm just going to help you guys demonstrate how to jump this car real quick. So if you got a newer car, you want to go ahead and plug this negative terminal to your chassis, okay, instead of connecting it to the negative. Maybe to here. Yep. 12 volt. Then I'm gonna connect the connector here. Alright, so once you got the 12.6 volt, and once you press this on and off button right here, you start jumping your car, and you have about like 30 seconds to start a car. Okay. Alright, that's you jump the car. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description. Peace.